God says, "You have cried many times in private. Your private tears are about to become a public testimony. I am turning things around, and no one will be able to take credit for the changes that will happen in your life. Continue to wait on me. Do away with the fear, worry, and stress you have right now. This Monday morning, sing for joy, because you are about to soar to a new level. My hand is upon you. Be encouraged, my child." God says, "When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen." The beauty is, we don't have to make it happen. You don't have to manipulate things, force a door to open, or make yourself get well. God is going to make it happen. You may have obstacles that are too big for you. You don't see how you can get out of debt, or how you can accomplish a dream. The good news is, you're not on your own. At the right time, God will open the doors. God says, "You are going to receive that miracle you've been praying for. Only I can do the impossible. I can make a way where there seems to be no way. I am going to touch your health, your home, your family, your faith and your finances today." And always remember 3 things. God is with you. Still with you. Always with you. God bless you. Like and subscribe the video if you believe.